speed and action. I'm coming up on the Red River Bridge. If you think you've seen this bridge before, you have, and you will see other things that are similar in my videos. And this is mostly due to the fact that there are just certain things that make it easier for me to get to, certain paths, and this is one of them. And I'm coming up on a bumpy spot. I'm going to turn the camera off for a while. And I'm back again. More bald skies. Not exactly the greatest conditions for shooting, but if I waited until every moment that was right, I could be waiting for a long time. What I'm going to do today is continue taking the greenbelt here for a while. And I'm going to a spot as I cut through the Kristen Armstrong Municipal Park. I'm going to a spot known as the Morrison Knudsen Nature Center. That's right, you heard me right. Knudsen with a K. Morrison Knudsen is an engineering firm here that has been involved in some rather large projects of American infrastructure. They were part of the consortium of engineers that designed and built the Hoover Dam. They also were part of the consortium who designed and built the San Francisco to Oakland Bridge. Many people think about the Golden Gate Bridge when they think about San Francisco, but the San Francisco-Oakland Bridge is 4 times as long, and it takes twice the amount of traffic. It's considered the workhorse bridge of Northern California. They also build locomotive engines for railway travel and railway work. And they have worked together, in this case with the Idaho Department of Fish and Game, to create this nature reserve. And it's a walk-through park. It's very interesting. I've not been here in several years, many years perhaps, and I only recently discovered it along this trail to access the on your left, to access the eastern entrance, which is off the street. Ordinarily one gets onto it through Walnut Street, but there is a way to access it from the Greenbelt. This is a part of the Kristen Armstrong Municipal Park. I was at an event over here last week, a fundraising cookout. They have bocce ball courts, grills for grilling, shelters that one can rent. And I'm coming up on the MK Nature Center. I'm going to go in and do a walkthrough, mostly because I can't take my bike in there. I can't take my rollerblade or my skateboard. They're not permitted. So I'm going to do a walkthrough of the Morrison Knudsen Nature Center. And I think instead of doing a lot of voiceover, I'm just going to let the park do the talking. I might highlight some of the things with the voiceover. This is the sturgeon bench, protected species here in the Northwest. Coming up on the pollinator garden. There's a set of stairs that people can go up, a trestle to go across, stairs to go down, and then get inside the bald eagle's nest. And that's just a little bit of a look at the MK Nature Center. And I'm back on the trail. There are a couple of scenic turnouts up here, places where people can go sit and observe the river. I see a lot of happy dogs out there. There's also an underpass that shows the river in a very scenic way. And this is another observational turnout along this portion of the Greenbelt. These get a little more populated as the day goes along. People come along and sit out here, bring their dogs, and let them frolic in the river, and their kids. People frolic in the river. And I think I'll call it a wrap right here. I hope you're having a good day.